So we want to now analyze the concept of paradox of saving or paradox of thrift. For this, we consider the simple shortened model of the goods market, where investment, government spending, and taxes are given to us as exogenous, and consumption is given as a function of disposable income, Y minus T. Now, the conventional wisdom is that an economy that saves is an economy that will grow strong and prosper. But in this standard goods market model, as people attempt to save more, what we end up seeing is that there's a decline in output and we have unchanged savings. To understand this, what we do is we assume consumers decide to save more, which in our model we can model as a decrease in autonomous consumption C naught. Now, the first question arises, how does this affect output? Now, a decrease in autonomous consumption will decrease demand, which will decrease equilibrium output through the multiplier effect. Now, how does this affect savings? We know the goods market equilibrium condition, which is income is equal to demand, can also be written as private investment is equal to national savings, where in this particular case, S represents private savings and T minus G represents public savings. Now, in our model, by assumption, we know I is equal to I bar, T is equal to T bar, G is equal to G bar, so they're fixed. So the equilibrium condition tells us that in equilibrium, given that I, T, and G don't change, private savings, S cannot change either. So although people attempt to save more, but like we saw, their income decreases by an amount such that their savings, which we know depends upon income, is unchanged. This means that when people attempt to save more, the end result is that we see that there's a decline in output and savings remain unchanged. And this result is what is known as the paradox of savings or the paradox of thrift.